This is Apollo Control at 102 hours into the flight of Apollo 11.
Carnegie Mellon Rocket Command is a student-run organization that introduces students to hands-on experience building high-powered model rockets. Our goal is to expand the aerospace presence on CMU and prepare students for a future career in engineering fields.
Everyone sit down, get prepared for events that are coming.
This year, we're focusing on participating in the Spaceport America Cup, where we will be designing and assembling a high-powered rocket with a scientific payload and parafoil recovery system. Our competition goal is to build a rocket reaching 10,000 feet at launch.
12 minutes now until ignition for powered descent. Everything's still looking good.
From design, simulation, construction, testing, to finally launch, students are involved in all parts of the engineering process. The rocket will carry a custom-built cloud chamber to observe cosmic rays. It will also be guided by a parafoil to target specific GPS coordinates, which will be programmed to steer itself and avoid obstacles using machine learning.
Capcom word go for powered descent.
In 2022, CMRC members will be traveling to Las Cruces, New Mexico, where the competition will be held. Our goal for this project is $6,000, which will help cover rocketeer fees, food, transportation, and lodging.
Many aerospace engineers started out their careers in model rocketry. That's why igniting our students' passion is so important to us. Overall, the donations will allow us to bring CMRC members to the competition to gain real-world aerospace experience and meet other students with shared interests.
Go! Control. Go. Welcome.
Thanks for helping us out, and welcome to the Carnegie Mellon Rocket Command family.
Capcom word go for landing. Okay, everybody, let's hang tight and look for landing radar. Okay, we're go. We've had shutdown.